how to download Viber on Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Viber app on a mobile device. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on an Android device or App Store on an iOS device. Tap on the source icon at the bottom, then tap on the source bar. Type in Viber and search for it. Select the first search result for Viber. Tap on the install button. The Viber app will now begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, you can now use the Viber app on a mobile device. Simply tap the open button, give all the necessary permissions, then log into your account if you already have one or sign up for a new account. After that, you will be all set to use Viber. And there you have it. You have successfully downloaded Viber on a mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.